Hello learner, welcome to Manifested e-learning forum. My name is Emlyn Ngwiri and I'll be taking you through alternative investment analysis block revision. We are looking at May 2016 question 2. Question 2A reads as follows: discuss the following equity hedge fund strategies. Number 1 is market neutral strategy, number 2 is sector specific strategy, number 3 is fundamental growth strategy, number 4 is quantitative directional strategy, and number 5 is short buy strategy. So we start off by mentioning that, so we are looking at block revision. Alternative investment analysis. Investment analysis. Question 2. Question 2A. We start by mentioning something about the market neutral strategy, and we say that the market neutral strategy uses technical stroke fundamental analysis to select undervalued securities to be held long, and overvalued to be sold short. This will result in, of course, individuals profiting from the perceived mispricings or from the price movements within the market there. Not B, and we're looking at the second one, is sector specific strategy. We can say that this strategy goes long. In a specific sector in order to enhance returns for the fund that contributes to strategic asset allocation. Strategic asset allocation has a long-term view, unlike the tactical asset allocation, which tries to look at a portfolio or investments in considering a short-term view. So strategic asset allocation considers feedback loops where you constantly try and rebalance the portfolio, whereas tactical asset allocation does not consider trying to rebalance the portfolio or having feedback loops which can be able to provide useful information for rebalancing there. Number 3, we're looking at fundamental growth. We can say that it uses fundamental analysis. This strategy uses fundamental analysis to find high growth companies high growth companies in order to profit from capital appreciation. Profit from capital appreciation. Now the next one we are looking at is fundamental growth strategy. So number 4. Or I probably might have, this is fundamental growth. This should be part 4. This should be the part, yes, part 3 is fundamental growth strategy. We looked at sector specific. I've looked at fundamental growth strategy. And now number 4 is quantitative directional. Here we buy securities that are believed to be undervalued. This strategy considers purchasing undervalued equities and shorting those that are overvalued. Using specifically technical analysis. So you use the graphs and charts like so to try and identify trends like that, and you're saying these are the 3 options that happen. It either moves up, it stays stagnant, and it goes down over there. So you're saying using technical analysis tools, you can be able to try and identify price trends so that you can be able to buy or purchase undervalued securities, and you short or you consider selling overvalued securities right there. The 5th one is short bias strategy. Now under short bias strategy, we can say it employs this strategy employs short positions in overvalued securities with smaller long positions but with negative exposure. With negative market exposure. Yeah. So those are the 5 strategies that the examiner wanted us to look at, and we have actually broken them down very well. And if you want a detailed description about these strategies, please look at the video that we had done that covered the hedge fund strategies there. It actually covers them very detailed.